Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add licenses or certificates to your LinkedIn profile. If you've completed mandatory, continuing education, or just learned a new skill and received a certificate, it's beneficial for you to add it to your professional profile. To do this, head to linkedin.com and log into your account. Head to your profile page by selecting Me and then View Profile. Once at your profile page, find and choose Add Section, and then from this drop-down menu, choose Licenses and Certificates. This is where you'll enter all the info from your certificate. I'll pull up a CompTIA training certificate that I received from Udemy a while back. Enter the name of the course and then the issuing organization. After that, enter the date that you received the certification and then choose if it has an expiration. Finally, if you have the certificate ID and URL, enter the info here. Looking at my Udemy certificate, we see that it's located in the lower left. Each certificate and issuer will be different, but you should be able to find it. When you're finished, hit save and you'll then see it added to your page. And that's how you add licenses or certificates to your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.